Nutella, a luscious spread made from hazelnuts and cocoa, has captivated taste buds around the globe. Originating from Italy, Nutella has become a staple in many households, enjoyed by young and old alike. Its creamy texture and rich taste make it a favorite on everything from toast to pancakes. More than just a breakfast treat, it has become a versatile component in numerous recipes. The popularity of Nutella is a testament to its unique flavor profile. It combines the nutty taste of hazelnuts with the sweetness of chocolate, creating a spread that is both indulgent and comforting. Over the years, Nutella has built a loyal following, with fans eagerly anticipating new recipes and limited edition jars. Despite its simple composition, the allure of Nutella lies in its consistent quality and taste. Nutella's widespread acclaim is not limited to a single region, it is a global phenomenon. From Europe to Asia and the Americas to Africa, Nutella has made its mark. Its reach is facilitated by a network of factories and efficient distribution channels. This essay will delve into the modern technology that enables Nutella to maintain its high standards while meeting worldwide demand. Understanding the intricacies of Nutella's production offers insight into why it remains a beloved product. From the careful selection of ingredients to the advanced technology used in its production, Nutella is a marvel of both science and art. This journey into the heart of a Nutella factory will reveal the secrets behind its success. The creation of Nutella begins with its main ingredients: hazelnuts, cocoa, milk, sugar, palm oil, and a hint of vanilla. Each ingredient plays a pivotal role in achieving the perfect balance of flavors. Hazelnuts provide the foundational taste, lending a nutty richness that defines Nutella's signature flavor. They are carefully selected for quality and taste before being incorporated into the spread. Cocoa is another critical ingredient, offering a deep chocolatey note that complements the hazelnuts. The cocoa used in Nutella is sourced from quality beans, ensuring a consistent and robust flavor. Milk adds a creamy texture, enhancing the spread's smoothness. It is typically in powdered form, allowing for easy integration into the mix. Sugar, while providing sweetness, also acts as a preservative, helping to maintain Nutella's shelf life. Palm oil, often misunderstood, is used for its ability to maintain a smooth consistency without separating. Ferrero, the company behind Nutella, is committed to sourcing sustainable palm oil, addressing environmental concerns. Lastly, a touch of vanilla rounds out the flavor profile. This subtle addition enhances the overall taste, making each bite of Nutella a harmonious blend of flavors. Each of these ingredients is carefully chosen and meticulously measured to ensure the final product meets Nutella's high standards. When ingredients arrive at a Nutella factory, the process begins with a thorough inspection. Quality is paramount, and each batch of ingredients undergoes rigorous testing. Hazelnuts, for instance, are checked for size, color, and aroma. Only those meeting strict criteria are accepted for production. This initial scrutiny ensures that every jar of Nutella starts with the finest ingredients. Cocoa beans are similarly inspected for quality. They undergo a series of tests to determine their flavor profile and potential contaminants. Once cleared, the beans are stored under controlled conditions to preserve their quality until they are ready to be processed. Milk powder, sugar, and palm oil also undergo checks to ensure they meet regulatory standards and Nutella's own quality benchmarks. Advanced technology plays a significant role in the inspection process. Optical scanners and sensors are used to detect impurities or inconsistencies in the ingredients. These machines can quickly identify and remove defective items, ensuring that only the best make it into the production line. This automation not only speeds up the process but also enhances accuracy. Once ingredients are approved, they are stored in dedicated silos or containers. This organized system allows for efficient management of resources and prevents cross-contamination. The careful handling of ingredients at this stage sets the foundation for the quality and taste that Nutella is known for. The journey from raw ingredients to Nutella involves several precise steps, each enhanced by modern technology. Hazelnuts are the first to undergo processing. They are roasted to perfection, a crucial step that intensifies their flavor. The roasting process is closely monitored using temperature sensors to ensure that the nuts achieve the desired flavor profile without burning. After roasting, the hazelnuts are ground into a fine paste. This transformation is achieved using high-speed grinders, which reduce the nuts to a smooth and creamy consistency. The grinding process is critical, as it determines the texture of the final product. The paste is then combined with cocoa, which has been processed into a fine powder form. Milk powder, sugar and palm oil are added next. Each ingredient is precisely measured and mixed to achieve the ideal balance of flavors. Mixing machines equipped with advanced technology ensure a homogeneous blend. The controlled environment prevents any external factors from affecting the taste or quality of the mixture. Finally, a hint of vanilla is added to the blend. This subtle touch enhances the overall flavor, completing the transformation from individual ingredients to a cohesive spread. The entire process is a testament to the power of technology in creating a product that is both delicious and consistent. Robotics plays an integral role in the production of Nutella, streamlining operations and enhancing precision. From handling ingredients to the final packaging, robots are employed to perform tasks with speed and accuracy. In the roasting stage, robotic arms efficiently transport hazelnuts through the roasting ovens, ensuring even exposure and, a perfect roast every time. In the mixing process, robotic systems ensure precise measurements of each ingredient. This automation really minimizes human error and maintains consistency across batches. Robots are also responsible for monitoring the viscosity of the mixture, making adjustments as needed to maintain the desired texture and smoothness of Nutella. Robots further assist in transporting the blended Nutella to the packaging stage. They are programmed to handle large quantities with ease, preventing spillage or contamination. Additionally, these machines are equipped with sensors that detect any inconsistencies in the product, ensuring that only perfect batches move forward. The use of robotics extends to maintenance tasks as well. Automated cleaning systems ensure that machinery remains sterile, adhering to strict hygiene standards. This automation not only enhances the efficiency of the production process, but also upholds the safety and quality for which Nutella is renowned. Quality control is a cornerstone of Nutella's production process, ensuring that every jar meets the brand's high standards. This begins with rigorous testing of the ingredients and continues throughout the manufacturing process. Samples are taken at various stages to undergo sensory and chemical analysis, confirming that the flavor and consistency align with Nutella's specifications. The factory environment is maintained with the utmost attention to cleanliness. Strict hygiene protocols are in place to prevent contamination. Workers are required to wear protective clothing, including hairnets and gloves, to minimize the risk of foreign particles entering the production line. Machinery is routinely cleaned and sanitized to uphold these standards. Advanced technology aids in monitoring the production environment. Sensors track air quality and temperature, while cameras provide real-time footage of the production floor. This level of oversight ensures that any potential issues are identified and addressed promptly, maintaining the integrity of the product. Regular audits and inspections are conducted to evaluate compliance with health and safety regulations. These measures ensure that Nutella not only delivers on taste, but also meets the stringent safety standards required for food production. The commitment to quality and cleanliness is a key factor in Nutella's global success. Once the Nutella mixture is ready, it moves to the packaging stage, where precision and efficiency are paramount. The spread is poured into jars using automated filling machines. These machines are calibrated to dispense the exact amount, ensuring uniformity across each jar. This step is crucial in maintaining consistency and consumer trust. The filled jars are then sealed with airtight lids to preserve freshness and prevent contamination. The sealing process is meticulously monitored to ensure that every jar is securely closed. This step not only extends the product's shelf life but also reassures consumers of its quality upon purchase. Labeling is the next step, where each jar receives the iconic Nutella branding. Automated labeling machines apply labels with precision, ensuring they are aligned and intact. This attention to detail really enhances the product's appeal on store shelves, making it easily recognizable to consumers worldwide. Finally, the jars are packed into cartons for distribution. Robots assemble the cartons, ensuring each one is securely packed to prevent damage during transit. This efficient packaging process allows Nutella to be shipped quickly and safely to markets around the globe, ready to delight fans with its unique taste. The use of advanced machines extends beyond production to include sustainable practices. Nutella factories are increasingly embracing clean energy, reducing their environmental footprint while maintaining high efficiency. Solar panels and wind turbines are installed at several facilities, providing renewable energy to power the production process. Efficient energy use is further enhanced by state-of-the-art machines designed to minimize waste. These machines optimize resources, ensuring that every bit of energy and material is used effectively. This commitment to sustainability reflects Nutella's dedication to responsible manufacturing practices and environmental stewardship. Global distribution of Nutella is a well-orchestrated operation. Once packaged, Nutella is transported to distribution centers via an extensive logistics network. This network leverages technology to track shipments in real time, ensuring timely delivery to retailers worldwide. This logistical prowess is crucial in meeting the demand for Nutella across diverse markets. Nutella's journey from factory to store shelves is a testament to the synergy of technology and tradition. By embracing clean energy and efficient machines, Nutella continues to innovate while honoring its rich heritage. This balance ensures that Nutella remains a beloved product, enjoyed by generations across the globe.